even advanced. So the F# language-wise, we have covered everything but reflection. And there are some minor corner cases in different other areas that probably nobody will ever use. But reflection, of course, is a single exception to the rule that can be translated, because we don't have the same kind of meta information on clients. Like in JavaScript execution, you don't have information about the types that you have on the .NET side.
Sure. So, like in a JavaScript marked piece of code, you can pattern match recursive.
Yeah. You can pattern match. You can use active patterns. You can use computation expressions. You can use everything but reflection. Like I said, you can use the entire language. And in fact, with F#3, you have type providers. So type providers can be used for lots of things. And typically in WebSharper applications, we have type providers in some of our applications. You typically end up using them on the server side to fetch some data or abstract away some parts of the data source, and give strongly typedness around this data source and expose it to some client. And so that exposition or exposing is taking place using the translator, and the type providers run on the server side.
Okay, so is there potentially a way to use the type providers to bring the JavaScript third-party?
That would be possible if you could push through not only the code for the type provider, but if you could also emulate how type providers are hooked in, like you have Visual Studio hooks. But yeah, that would be tremendously interesting. The only problem with that is that typically the kind of things that you use a type provider for, you need the server side, because there's some kind of data awareness, which typically deals with sensitive data, which you don't want to have on the client.